Hello, my name is Tessa McBurney, and I'm the Atlantic Bat Conservation Project Technician with the Canadian Wildlife Health Cooperative Atlantic Region. And today we're going to go over how to create a NABat account. So the first thing I did was just open up my internet browser, and here you can see I'm using Google Chrome. So to follow these steps, it's best to use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox as your internet browser. So the images you will see here today are through Google Chrome. So if you are using Mozilla Firefox, just keep in mind that the layout of the website might look slightly different. So here I just went to google.ca, and in the search bar, I'm just going to type NABat monitoring program and hit enter. And you can select the first link that comes up. Alternatively, in the search bar, you can just type NABat monitoring.org, and that will take you to the website as well. So again, hit enter. On this web page here, you're going to select the large orange partner portal button at the top right of the screen. So here, so just click on that. And that will bring you to this new page here. So again, at the top right of the screen, you will click the Login Request an Account button here. So click on that, and that brings you to this new page. So here you can see I already have some information entered because I already have an account, but just ignore that. Yours will likely be blank. So just scroll down, and you're going to go to the non-DOI user section, and you're going to click on the blue link to sign up. So click on that. And that brings you to the new user registration page. So here you will have a few fields to fill out. So the first is your email address that you want associated with your NABat account. So just type that in the first field. Okay, and then you'll put your first name and then your last name. And then for the sponsor email, you can use breichart@usgs.gov. So type that in. USGS, yeah. Okay, sorry, just making sure I spelled everything correctly. And then you're going to click on the box here to indicate that you're not a robot. Great, that was accepted. Sometimes you will have a short activity to fill out, but once you do that, to indicate you are not a robot, you can click the blue submit button below. And that will submit your user registration form. You can see I do have an error here because I already have an account connected to this email address. But if your email address does not have an NABat account registered with it, you shouldn't receive that error. So at this point, you will have to wait to receive an email. So once the sponsor approves your account, you will receive an email, and I can show you what that looks like. So this is the email I received when I created my account. It may have a title like New Sciencebase Account, and here it will give you your username, which is just the email address that you submitted with your registration form, and it will give you a temporary password as well. You can see that here. And so to change your password, you're going to click this blue link here. So that will take you to the page that you need to go to. So this is already expired for me since this is older. So I'm just going to switch over to my other screen to show you some photos of what the next few steps will look like. So just bear with me here. Okay, so now you can see on this slide, here's the email again. So you're going to click on that link there in blue. And that will bring you to this page. So here you're going to enter your username, which again is just your email. And then you will enter the password that was assigned to you in the email. So you can just copy and paste that in there. So this password here, you'll copy and paste that into the password field, and then you'll click the login button below. And that should take you to this page where you can change your password. So for current password, again, you'll copy and paste that password you received in the email, the temporary password, and then you can select a new password of your choice. So type that in to the new password field and then retype that same password to confirm your new password below. And once you've done that, you can click on the blue Save button, and that should save your new password. So if that worked, you'll get this message that your password change was successful. And then you can either click this blue link here to go to sciencebase catalog, or you can go back to the nabatmonitoring.org website. So just let me switch my screen back here for you. So we will just go back to the NABat website here, back to partner portal. And then again, log in, request an account, because this is where you will log in. And then here under other sciencebase accounts, you will type your sciencebase username, which again is your email address. And then you can use that new password that you created and type that in here. And then click on the blue Login with Sciencebase button. There you go. That should log you into the NABat website, and you now have created an account. So just a note that sciencebase will require you to change your password every 90 days. They will send you an email letting you know how many days you have left before your password expires. So just make sure that you keep it updated and keep track of your new passwords. I hope that was helpful. Great, thanks.